Can this whistle really break glass? We're gonna start cheap and make our way to the world's most expensive whistle. $1. Am I doing this right? Bro, this is trash. Next, $10 dog whistle. This is supposed to make your dog come towards you. $100 storm whistle. Ooh, that was pretty loud. Wait, what's happening? Ooh. Guys, that almost hit me. $1,000 Cybertruck whistle. I wonder why it's shaped like a Cybertruck. Let's try it. $5,000 Aztec death whistle. Something tells me I'm gonna need these.